Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat Web not working. Let's get started. Snapchat Web works best on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. In Chrome, select the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Help, then click About Google Chrome. It will auto-update if needed. Snapchat needs camera, microphone, and notification access. To check permission in Google Chrome, click on the padlock icon next to the URL bar, then choose Site Settings. Then make sure camera, microphone, and pop-ups and redirects are set to allow. Old cache and cookies can cause issue. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Image and Files, then clear them. VPNs can interfere with Snapchat Web functionality. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, then try again. Sometimes a quick refresh of your session helps. Log out of Snapchat Web, then close your browser, then reopen it and log back in. And also, a simple restart can sometimes resolve browser or permission-related issues. If none of this works, try using Snapchat Web on other browser or another device, or contact Snapchat support. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.